Hi guys, namaste. Welcome to Nine Inventions. Before getting into the video, do hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. Thank you so much. Hope you all are doing fine. Today I have with me a serum, and this is from a brand which basically deals with products which are related to men. They have skincare as well, and I have always said that skincare is unisex. Okay, so this is the Mars by GHC, and basically they have products which are meant for men, and they have products for hair, beard, performance, weight loss and skin. I recently stumbled upon this site and I somehow found the products very interesting, especially the skincare section. They have very nice serums which are quite different, and I picked one for me. This one sounded very different and quite promising, so yes, so I just ordered this one. So let's just get into the details. I ordered a combo set, and this had a serum, a jade roller and a gua sha stone. Now jade rollers and gua sha stones are a hot topic these days because everybody is using that. There must be something good in jade rollers and gua sha stones, like everybody is using that, so I thought I should also try. Why should I be left behind? Okay, the box also is very nice and very eye catchy. Problem, we understand the main reason behind your problem. Solution, we provide the best treatment plan for you. Care, our experts will track your progress and will provide best care and guidance. And they say we know men. So upon opening, you'll be getting this kind of a brochure. My throat is a little bad. Okay, so this is like a coupon code, and now like I have ordered this from Mars by GHC, so now I am a Martian, they're saying, and that's really cute. And you rock, thank you from Mars. We are so thrilled to have you with us in our good health journey. Be in control, be a Martian. I'm fond of such personal notes, I love such personal notes. Okay, so this is the brochure which they have. This is reviewed by Dr. Sudhananda, and she is an MBBS, and they have also given a number which says you can call or contact them if you have any issue. All right, so they have anti-acne gel, they have glow skin serum, anti-aging serum, derma roller. I did a review on derma roller as well. Yeah, so this is about the brand. I'll put the link in the description box. You can check out the brand and you can see what all they have to offer. Okay, so upon opening, I have already used this serum, I think twice I have used this. Yeah, twice I have used this. So this is the serum which we are talking about. This is the Mars by GHC Glow Skin Serum, and this has vitamin C, niacinamide, multani mitti, turmeric extract and cocoa butter. And this 30 ml of product retails for 799 rupees. And this jade roller, this retails for 599 rupees, and this gua sha stone also retails for 599 rupees. So together this must be something around 1500 or 1600, you do the maths. But if you buy this in a combo, you'll be getting it for 999. For 1000 rupees you'll be getting these three products, which is really a very good deal. It says we know men, so don't get confused like this is for men. Don't think like that. This is for women as well. I am a woman and I have applied this. I'll show a demo as well of applying this. So this is for unisex, so don't get confused. Alright, so upon opening, this is how we have the serum. And what this says is you have to apply a few drops on your face, and then you have to either you can massage this with your hands, or you can use a gua sha stone or a jade roller to apply this. That will be more beneficial. Jade rollers basically help in reducing puffy eyes, helps in reducing dark circles. Also, this face roller helps in increasing blood circulation, and also this kind of makes your skin appear very healthy. And about the gua sha stone, gua sha stone helps in releasing toxin out of the body. Basically, what they do is that is known as lymphatic drainage, defines and contours face and cheekbones, and gives your skin that healthy, plump kind of a look, a youthful kind of a glow. This has niacinamide, which helps in skin brightening and skin moisturizing. This has vitamin C, which makes your skin more radiant and youthful. This has multani mitti, and multani mitti is rich in magnesium, which helps in removing toxins from your skin and also removes blackheads. This has cocoa butter, which helps in nourishing your skin. We all know that. This also has turmeric extracts, which basically is an anti-inflammatory. Turmeric is an anti-inflammatory. We all know that. So turmeric basically reduces acne or pimples if you have on your face, and also this kind of gives your complexion an even tone. So what I found unique about the serum was that I had never heard a serum having multani mitti and turmeric extract. So that really made me a little curious to try this. So this is the texture of the serum, if you can see. This is a nice thick yellow kind of a texture, and this spreads quite easily. This gets absorbed so quickly, like you won't feel heavy at all. base of my makeup today is this serum. As you saw in the video demo section, I applied this serum before doing the makeup, and my makeup is intact. Everything is looking good. My face is looking quite poreless, so I think this is really good as a makeup base as well. So I think these products are more like a luxury products, I guess. So I think you should invest in these kind of things, and if you buy this like in a combo, it will be much more easy for you, I suppose. So my final take on this serum is that this is one of the best things I have laid my hands on. This is really good. This is very lightweight. You can use this on your face, and then you can carry on your daily skincare routine. You can apply the moisturizer or sunscreen, whatever you apply, you can do that. But just use this as a base. Just let your skin soak the goodness of all these ingredients, and then you're good to go. This, after applying the serum, you'll have to apply moisturizer, or you'll have to apply any cream or lotion, because the texture of the serum is very fine, and if you have dry skin, then especially you'll have to apply a cream or lotion after applying the serum. This will just get absorbed in your skin like this, so you'll feel like you're applying nothing. In winters, I think you'll have to apply cream on top of it, but other than that, I think this is a wonderful thing. No eruptions, no breakouts, no redness. Such a soft, nice, buttery texture. I loved it. And also, after taking a shower, after coming out of the shower, I just apply this, or I just dab it on my face. That's it. I don't apply anything else. I just dab it. I have dry skin, but this works very well with my skin. I just dab it, and I'm just ready for the day. So I think you should give this a shot. This is really a very good product. I'll put the link in the description box for you. It'll be easier for you to find it. That was it. I'll see you guys next time with some another product. Until then, you guys please take care. And I love you all.